to hell. Well, I don't wanna listen, but he tells me all the same. It's altruistic posturing from his wife said on James. Leave me alone, you're not a dog, I'm not a bone, but you're gonna bury me with your tons of misery. And when I'm on Saturday with Charlie and Bill, I know for well I should and I don't know if I will or I won't. Will I do or I don't? Nothing is for definite and nothing is for sure.